Welcome to the first video on Python. We are going to use Google Colab for programming purpose. Nothing is needed extra. So you have to type in the search bar Google Colab. Just click on the result Google Colab and a new window will be opened, and here you have to sign in with your Google account. So click on the new notebook available on the right corner in the bottom side, and a new notebook will be opened. Now for the first time it will take some time and it will store all the things in your Google Drive. So one new window has opened and you can see untitled4 as the file name. We can rename by simply deleting it and putting the new name. So we are going to put the value as first day IPYNB. So Python programming is really enjoyable. If you know programming previously, then it's okay. If you don't know, then there is no problem. We can learn together. So we are going to write in the cell, this is called cell, the first thing that we are going to print something. So what we are going to print, we have to write it in double quotes under the function print. Inbuilt function is there, print. So welcome to the world of Python. This we are going to print, and for running and creating a new cell we have pressed shift and enter. You can see connecting and then initializing will be there. So first time it will take some time, but later on it will be working fine. So you can see the output, welcome to the world of Python. So what we did, we just pressed shift and enter. Now coming on to the next cell, 2 plus 3, output is 5. So we can compute as well. Now just see, we are going to print, that is inbuilt function. You can see the type and all those things required as an argument, the hello world. As we learn as we start learning any language, the first thing that we want to print is hello world. So we have printed hello world. Now can we assign this value string to any variable? Just see, if we have just written hi, there is an error, that is name hi is not defined. Now suppose we assign value hello to hi. How can we do? Just hi is equal to single quote and we have assigned this value. For printing, just we have to write the name of the variable and run the cell hello. Another way, hi is equal to, we are going to write hello in double quotes. So we have written this, again we want to run this. So just enter the name hi and run the cell. You are going to get the value as hello. Now what is the type of this variable? This object, so we have to use this function type. In arguments we are going to pass the object, that is hi, and when we run shift plus enter, we are going to see that it is a string type. And on the right corner you are seeing that up arrow is there, down arrow, and all those things are present here. So if we click, the cell is going to move up. So this cell we are clicking, and this cell, you can see that we are moving upward. So for upward movement, up arrow key, and for downward movement, down arrow key. And you can see other settings as well. Here link is there, comment section is there, setting is there, delete option is there. So you can use all those settings. So if you click on comment portion, you can see a new dialog box is opened and you can comment. So we are going to write one comment, that is, we are going to learn Python programming, and it will be shown with your user ID, whatever your account is. And you can, when you click on the comment, you can easily find that this comment has been recorded. So just we have written there and click the comment, and you can see comment is recorded. Now suppose you want to text, enter some text, so you have to click on the plus text, and here you can see the editor, markdown editor. You can write anything. Suppose write one word here, you will be seeing the output next to the second half in the cell, so you are seeing the outcome as well, and close the markdown editor. This thing is used to close the editor, and you can easily see the comment, the text appearing here. Now suppose you want to delete the comment. Right click on the comment section and you will be finding the option edit and delete. So click on the delete, you can easily see that. For running the cell, you have to just press the Ctrl plus enter. You are going to see the output. So in this way you are going to run the cell. But if you want to enter some new cell, then you have to press shift plus enter. Again, if you want to delete, the delete option is there, delete cell, you have deleted successfully. For undoing the thing, you can go to the edit cell and undo the things. Now suppose you want to initialize some variable with integer value. So you have written a is equal to 5, just similarly that you have initialized as high. Now want to see the output, what you have to do, just you have to write a and run the cell. So just write a and run the cell, you are going to get the output as well. So if you want to see the output in full screen, what you have to do, you just have to click on the cell, right click, and you are going to see the output in the full screen, view output full screen. For exiting, just press escape, you will be there. So in this way you are going to see the output in full screen mode and other thing. Okay, thank you.